Now they're directly above me on this fifth floor, making this noise with this asbestos. So I'm about to send this over to the prosecutors, to the Denver Post, and to the news. They're making this noise on Saturday.